Affiliate marketing resources.
Many of us would love to venture out on our own and work for ourselves. However, two major factors tend to get in the way. The first being money and the second being risk. These two factors should not be taken lightly. Even small businesses need a substantial amount of capital to get them started. The risk factor is even scarier. Up to 90% of all small businesses fail within the first year. Affiliate marketing takes the risk away. It can also be started with next to zero money. Affiliate marketing can be quite a lucrative venture. If you have a natural knack for sales or marketing and are self-motivated and prepared to work hard, then an affiliate marketing scheme could be a wise move for you. Almost daily, you see advertised courses and seminars that claim to hold the secret of instant wealth. By attending this course, you will have all of the tools you need to get your business off the ground and become a millionaire. Those who want to start their own affiliate marketing business often attend these thinking that they will help their business thrive. Courses and seminars more often than not disappoint. First, these courses and seminars are usually quite expensive. You have the course or seminar fee, plus any travel and hotel costs. Most of these are held in heavy tourist destinations around the country. Second, the person giving the seminar or course is usually on some kind of a promotional tour. While they do give out information at the course or seminar, their true goal is to sell you their latest book or software. The truth be told, everything you learned from that seminar was probably written in their book. You could have saved thousands if you had just bought their book and read it rather than shelling out for this course. While it is true that you should educate yourself in affiliate marketing, the best resources are not courses. However, books are. By simply reading up on affiliate marketing, you can gain wonderful insights and save loads of money. By simply looking on retail sites such as Amazon or eBay, you can get hundreds of titles on the subject. There are loads of step-by-step guides available on how to get your affiliate marketing business going and how to build it up. Another great resource for affiliate marketing is the internet. Simply by typing affiliate marketing into any major search engine, loads of information comes up. There are plenty of free courses online that you can take on the subject if you are determined. Read through the information available to you for nothing. Chances are a course or a seminar won't teach you any more than what you can learn online for free. Magazines and newsletters are fantastic resources for affiliate marketing. Newsletters are generally free and contain good, valuable information about particular programs. You'll hear account from people who are working in affiliate marketing. Their advice is worth having, being that they are doing now what you want to be doing in the near future. Finally, one of the advantages of joining an affiliate marketing program is the support that you receive. Any legitimate company should want you to succeed. The more profit you make, the better for them. They should have their own advice and support network that is available to you. This could be in the form of an agent whom you can contact or advertising materials. They may offer a wide variety of things to help you build your business. They can be one of the most important resources for you to rely on. If you are considering a career in affiliate marketing, then you should find out what you are getting yourself into. Don't waste money on expensive seminars and courses. Look for books, newsletters, online information, and the companies themselves. Some of the best information is available to you for free. Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.